This beetle looks scary!
Ouch!
Phew, luckily it's harmless. The cave is safe now! Quickly, rescue the car body!
Hooray!
Okay, let's go!
Now we need to rescue the car roof! Where could it be buried? Wait a second! This spot looks suspicious! Let's dig it up!
Yoo-hoo!
Which yellow car is this?
Aha!
Oh, here it is!
Hooray!
Okay, let's go!
All car parts have been found! Let's clean them up!
Oh yeah!
Check if all the parts are clean, everyone! If they're spotless, let's assemble them!
Okay, let's go!